Let me show you how you get the background of your picture removed without stress, without hassle. Pretty easy, free of charge. Come along with me. Come to www.remove.bg, press enter. Ooh, we are in. Very easy. This is a platform where you get your background picture removed. Very easy. It's just within a minute you are done. So click on upload picture. So you can pick any of your choice, any pictures you want to remove the background. Is just very easy. Choose the picture. For me, I want to remove this very picture's background. So click on it and open. Now you can see it's uploading my file. So it's about to remove. Wow, my background had been removed in just few minutes. You are done. Your background had been removed. So the next thing you do is to download your picture and see how it looks. Come to download. Wow, my file had been downloaded. As you can see, open file. Wow, excellent. So if you want to remove your background, you need to do something that requires you removing the background. Quickly rush down to remove.bg and get your background removed. Just one touch, you are done. Thanks for joining me. Hit on subscribe, give me thumbs up. If you are pleased with this training, do follow me for more. There are more tips I will be offering in this platform. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.